Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a slow website on Squarespace in 2026. So if your site is loading slowly, lagging, or taking too long to open, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then try opening your site in a different browser to see if the issue is local. Next, check your images. Large or uncompressed images are one of the biggest reasons websites load slowly. Now remove any extra sections, animations, or heavy design blocks that you don't really need. Simpler pages load faster. If you're using background videos or multiple embedded videos, try reducing them. These can slow down your page significantly. Next, check for third-party scripts like chat widgets, tracking tools, or pop-ups. Too many scripts can slow your site down. Now make sure Squarespace built-in optimization features are enabled. These help compress and load your content more efficiently. Finally, test your website speed using a speed checker tool. This helps you see what's still slowing things down, and that's it. Most Squarespace slow website issues are caused by large images, heavy scripts, or too many design elements, and once you fix those, your site will load much faster. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.